Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download font packs safely for Premiere titles step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the font styles you need for your Premiere titles. Open your preferred web browser. Search for reputable font websites. Some popular options include Google Fonts, DaFont, and FontSquirrel. Navigate to the chosen website. Explore the font categories or use the search bar to find specific fonts. Once you find a font you like, click on it to view more details. Check the licensing information to ensure it's safe for your intended use. If the font is free for personal or commercial use, look for the download button. Click the download button to begin the downloading process. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Typically, downloaded fonts come in a .zip file format. Right-click the .zip file and select Extract All to access the font files. Inside, you should find one or more font files, usually in .ttf or .off format. Right-click on each font file and select Install to add it to your system. After installation, open Adobe Premiere Pro. Go to your project or create a new one. In the Titles panel, select the Text tool to create a new title. Access the Font drop-down menu to find your newly installed font. Select the font to apply it to your title text. Adjust the font size, style, and color as needed. Preview your title to ensure everything looks correct. If the font does not appear, restart Premiere Pro to refresh the font list. Once satisfied, save your project to preserve the changes. Now you can create stunning titles using your newly downloaded fonts. Remember to respect the font licensing agreements for future projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.